Yeah, I'll box it all the way up and get it up more. Clip's gonna help. You gonna help? Yeah. First off, as soon as I knew that they were doing this, I had to get me one. I didn't have a 4K amp. I got the JP. Oh, 8. How about the JP? I bought the JP8. I bought the JP8 800 watt 4 channel. And they're both great amps. And I got the JP43 version 1.5. And then once the version 2 came out, and it was a smaller footprint inside, the smaller footprint at 2700 watts instead of 23. Right there tells you something. So, wouldn't doubt at all STI is building all of these amps, because this thing looks, listen to me folks, listen to me carefully. I understand that everybody has their proprietary things, but if you were to flip a Sundown Salt 4K or Salt 3, it's exactly what you'd see. Same bars. I guess that's power, obviously, but I had to get it because it's stamped Florida. That's Florida. F for me. Florida. But check this thing out, dude. Okay. Look at this. Oh my God, this is heavy. I had 2 Wolfram W4500s. It wasn't this nice. It had dual inputs, but it was way bigger. And I bet you it does less power. Many tests to come. Guess what this is going on? If y'all can guess in the comments what I'm gonna put the JP43 on right off the rip. Already got the enclosure. Already got the subs. Just see if you could give me a guess on what I'm gonna put them on. Starts with S. Which versions though? Because you know I've played with all the Sundowns except for the Neos, and right now I have way too many Sundown subs to think about. But we're gonna put this beast at 1 ohm on 2 Sundown audio. Guess who found the last 2 8X V3s alive, around, or anywhere in stock that I can even get them? I got them. And then this sucker, right? Bad boy right here. This is a refurbished unit. So I'm trying to see what they refurbished on it. And if I had to guess, I think that it was probably just a return because of this little bitty nick on the heatsink on the backside. But yeah, somebody could have touched up with something and just sent it back out as new, but you know, Jonathan Price doesn't do that. That's a remanufactured amp, especially if I had to go back. That screw's never been off of there. Promise you that. I've taken amps apart enough to know that this is a brand new amp. And I hope I don't have any of these bass knob troubles that people are speaking of. But yeah, that's a really nice amp. box is really cool too. It's got just fades into color. It's weird. Can't you see it there? It's not a stain. It's in the limited edition. Oh, this is what I thought was really cool. Look at this. Should have been Slam Panda, but now I'm gonna have to get that sticker for the back of my truck. But yeah, 43 plus. Oh, check out the power we got for him. Boom. Tightening. Believe it or not, this thing goes under the hood. Right now it's been resting at 13.